Growing plants not only please our soul, mind, and environment, at the same time it challenges our patience. Please welcome to my channel, that's Mom's Passion. Gardening becomes a true challenge when there is less space in our house. Hanging planters solves this problem in many ways by utilizing the aerial space or the vertical space. At the same time, it multiplies the beauty of our house. Wandering Jew or Tradescantia pallid is one of the easiest plants to grow. It's available everywhere, grows well both in indoors and shady outdoors. It's a very beautiful choice for hanging pots. It comes in the number one list of my today's video. Pothos or the money plants not only purifies the air but brings the prosperity and good wealth. Available in different shades and almost all varieties looks great due to its trailing nature. The neon pothos looks beautiful because of the color of the leaves and of course an attractive choice for hanging planter. I really wonder the way how it moves ahead, creeps and climbs and finding its way to enhance the magic of a hanging planter. In my second number list, different varieties of pothos comes as a hanging basket. And the third number is the sedum grass. Sedum are the wonderful succulents, drought tolerant plants, grow like wild weeds. They need little to no care. It is an amazing choice for a hanging planter. The lustrous green leaves truly makes a difference in your garden space and it looks great in a hanging planter. Many different varieties of beautiful planters are available for hanging purpose. They really increases the beauty of our hanging plants and the space. Arrowhead or Syngonium is an evergreen humidity loving plant. It's a number 4 choice as a hanging plant due to its trailing or climbing growth. Different varieties of leaves color are available in the market and they can be planted together in a single planter to make looks more prettier. Jade plants believed to bring positivity and a sign of luck and stability. This evergreen round leaves plant is in number 5 of my hanging plant list. This magnificent plant is a pretty beautiful option for hanging pots. The trailing stems looks beautiful in a hanging matter. Spider plants make excellent plants for hanging baskets with small white star-shaped flowers arcing down on a long flower stalks. After flowering, the little plantlets forms and which looks like spiders. And of course, it adds another number to the list of hanging plants. In the number 7 list comes another adorable hanging indoor plant. Rapidly grown succulent creeper has strings of small leaves in the shape of heart. These plants need less water like other succulents and cannot tolerate direct sunlight and makes an adorable addition to the garden as well as to the hanging plant list. In the number 8 comes the turtle vines. It's an amazing plant which trails as fast and as long you can imagine. These bright, shiny, polished leaves looks mesmerized in the garden vertical space while trailing down. It can be amazing addition to the garden. In a single planter, I planted triangle hearts with purple leaves of wandering Jew together, both not only complementing each other but attracts everyone's look and refresh the moods as well. This is another variety of wandering Jew with more greenish look. It can be also a trailing option for your garden. In number 9, the asparagus fern is a favorite plant option. The rich shining green leaves can be a decorative hanging plants to the garden. In number 10, the purple heart or the purple queen, the most attractive air purifying plant. Throughout the year, it spreads its beauty with the purple leaves. In hanging plants, it looks so pretty. The search for your hanging plant option must be successful after watching this video. Please subscribe and like the video.